Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Cardano itself. I'm sure at this point everyone knows that the entire market is booming, and the reason as to why the entire market is booming because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a significant push towards the upside, especially after closing the price in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, which I've been emphasizing on my channel for quite some time. Especially after closing the daily candle in that zone, we've seen the price of Bitcoin literally pushing up very close to yearly highs. So if we're looking at ADA on the daily time frame, it's up 4.6% on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, Cardano is up 10.6%. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. If we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 55.6 cents. We're up 2.1% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. Market cap slowly but surely approaching that $20 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting above $500 million. Not bad. But let's take it a step further. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So this is something I want to talk about, and this is the main reason as to why I did this poll a few hours ago as well. So just 6 hours ago, I asked the community, which is you guys, and the question is, what is the most undervalued from the list? And of course, you can see I listed Cardano, VeChain, Phantom, Algorand, and lastly, comment below for other. And as of now, literally in such a short span of time, about 6 hours, we've seen about 1,700 votes coming in, and you can see what's at the top. So this is based off of the community. This is based off of the overall sentiment, what people think, and 48% of these voters are going for Cardano as the most undervalued project in the crypto space right now. Sorry, not in the crypto space, out of the list that I have shown you. And some people honestly even think that it is the most undervalued in the entire crypto space, considering what it's capable of doing and considering how much its price is down compared to its all-time highs. So we're going to talk about the price, of course, now, see what is happening, but I do want you guys to let me know in the comments down below if you guys agree with this overall take, or do you guys completely disagree. And if you do agree that Cardano is the most undervalued on the list, I do want you guys to let me know in the comments down below why you think ADA is the most undervalued. So if we're looking at Bitcoin, of course, if you only watch my Cardano updates, I'm sure you guys kind of want a brief update on BTC. And of course, I love talking about Bitcoin because this is really, really important. So I'm sure if you guys watched my Cardano update, pretty much since you could, as long as I can remember, after even we broke below and retested 39,000 to close the CME future gap, since then, we were talking about one specific level on my channel. Every single update, if you don't want to see that confirmation, pause the video. Go on any video of mine. I was talking about the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level like a robot. And literally, as soon as we closed above that level, we've seen the price of Bitcoin pushing up like crazy. We've seen the likes of almost $48,623, which was retested a few hours ago. And we're very, very close, about 2% away for us to test a new yearly high. And I've said this in my other updates. If you did watch my Caspa update, which went live earlier, if this is able to clear out, we could even see a new yearly high setting in before even Monday starts. Really, really exciting things happening for the entire market, and of course this kind of gives us an indication why the entire market is reacting to that. And on top of that, Bitcoin dominance has also been spiking up, but the overall market is going up with the BTC momentum. Majority of the coins right now are lagging behind Bitcoin and BTC comparative, but the market is reacting to this momentum, and ADA is no exception. So what exactly is next for the Cardano price? Because this is, of course, what everyone wants to know. What is next for ADA? When is the price of Cardano going to get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? And as you know, I've been quite clear. Literally, if you've been watching me on my channel for quite some time, I've been quite clear that I think more and more interest will start flowing into ADA once the price gets back into the 78.6, and we have not seen the price of ADA back in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level pretty much since May 8th of 2022. So we're pretty much literally 4 months, 3 to 4 months away for us to mark a 2 years time frame since the price was back in this level for Cardano. But let's take a further look and see what is happening and what are some next price targets we could be aiming for. So right now, what you're looking at the price of Cardano doing is it is breaking towards the upside. Of course, like I said, everything is reacting to the BTC momentum, but we do have resistance. Resistance is clearly right in front of us, and of course we have some resistance that dates back to the previous bull market as we were breaking towards the upside. So this is where we're kind of finding ourselves currently at. But what you basically want to be looking at right now is this 58.94 cents resistance. This is a very crucial resistance. We did retest that literally 1 month ago, which was January 11th, and since then the price of Cardano was unable to retest that. So it would be lovely to see the price of ADA actually pushing into this resistance mark, because this resistance, you can see this for yourself, is very, very important. If this resistance is actually able to break out and we do see a daily candle close above here, I would be very, very optimistic that this time around we could see the price of Cardano pushing into the 78.6, which would be an additional move of 17.7% from this resistance level. So right now, if you are an ADA holder, you need to be eyeing this 59 cents resistance at all costs. That is a move of another additional 6% from the current price levels. And this resistance right here, it's not just a resistor we just need to tap. We need to do something like this. Let me give you guys a visual. So what you need to do is this right here. This is what ADA needs to do. So it needs to churn this resistance into support, and I'm convinced that we will finally see that breakout. And once we see that breakout, guys, this is where the fireworks begin. So right now, what you need to be looking at is Bitcoin, of course, as well, because if Bitcoin is able to push out of this resistance, which we're currently looking at, I am very, very convinced we will see Cardano retesting the 59 cents market, potentially even closing above that tomorrow. So it's going to be really, really nice to see. I want to know from you guys in the comments what you guys personally think. As of now, what I'm seeing with Cardano is a lot of people once again sleeping on ADA, and people are completely looking over Cardano's price. But that tends to happen because there's so much going on in the crypto space, so many other coins exploding, and the coins with more hype usually are the ones that are more attractive to people. But ADA is going to have its time, and I think that time is coming very, very soon, because around this time right here, now I know if you ask yourself this, we know everyone wish that Cardano price could retest 24 cents, or they could have an opportunity to accumulate at 24 cents mark once again. But honestly, no. That time was then, right? And I'm starting to see the same similar types of uncertainty at these levels, and I think that is about to change. And once we enter the 78.6, I've told you guys the significance of this before. This ends, listen to me very carefully, this ends the bear market consolidation phase. This is a very, very important level for ADA, and once we're able to break out, I think fireworks can begin. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.